But you're gonna need your marshmallows again. Take a few of them, just a couple, alright? Then you put them on a plate, like that. And then come on over here. Hey, Mr. Microwave, can we use you? Thank you. We're gonna put this in the microwave, alright? We're gonna put it on about, I don't know, about a minute. A minute? Okay, there we go. We're gonna put it in there about a minute. When they start to like puff up like a ball, that's when you take them out and you're ready. But it's not gonna have that crisp taste of a campfire. So, we're gonna wait for our other marshmallows to be cooked and we'll compare which one's the best. Don't those look pretty good?